Let's walk through a step-by-step tutorial for setting up SecurityLink. Let's set up a Snap-on technician profile. For the best experience, follow this tutorial on a desktop. You must create a technician profile to access SecurityLink functions. Go to altusdrive.com and select Create Individual Account. Select Get Started. Fill out your account information, then click Create Account. Check your inbox to verify your email. If you do not see the email, check your spam or junk folder. Log in with your newly created username and password. Fill in any missing account information, including country and technician phone number. Set a profile access code. Note a 4-digit profile access code is used on some newer vehicle models before gaining certain functions and features. Select Save. Now let's add a tool to your technician profile for ZEUS and VERUS platforms. On your diagnostic scan tool, select the gear icon. Select Get Connected. Enter technician profile username and password, then click Add Device. You'll see the confirmation screen. Now let's add a tool to your technician profile for all other platforms. On your diagnostic scan tool, click the gear icon. Select Get Connected. Here you'll find the scan tool serial number, PIN, and code. Leave the screen open and move to a computer. On desktop, in Technician Profile Manager, select Device Management on the left side menu. Click Add Device. Enter your tool's serial number, PIN, and code from the Get Connected screen in all caps with no dashes or spaces. Then click Save. You'll see the confirmation screen once complete. Ford, Hyundai, Kia, and Volvo are included when on the latest Snap-on software. Watch our other videos for steps on linking Mercedes-Benz, Renault, Dacia, and Volkswagen Audi Group to your technician profile.